Welcome back to the cutting board. For this second wonderful recipe, we are making blistered tiger skin peppers. Usually people just throw peppers into a dry hot pan to char them until they look slightly burned. While that method is fast, the downside is pretty significant. Dry roasted peppers often taste chewy and lack moisture. They turn tough the moment they cool down, and they barely absorb any sauce. Today, I will show you a game-changing technique that makes these peppers infinitely better than the classic way. They will be bathed in umami, stay perfectly hydrated and tender, develop beautiful golden wrinkles, soak up every drop of flavor, and pair beautifully with warm rice. The secret starts with the right pepper. Selection is everything here. I highly recommend these mild curly green peppers, similar to an Anaheim or mild jalapeno. They are perfect for pan roasting. These peppers have a gentle, pleasant heat, thick, meaty walls, and lower water content, so they will not turn into mush when cooked. Once they hit the heat, they wrinkle beautifully, giving you the ultimate satisfying bite. Now for washing, here is a professional kitchen tip for you. Before washing your harvest, never pull the green stems off the peppers. If you remove the stems first, water will flood into the hollow center. Whether you plan to pan sear or flash fry them, that trapped water will ruin the final texture. Instead, place the whole intact peppers into a bowl and add a tablespoon of salt to soak them. The salt water acts as a natural cleanser, removing garden dust safely. Rinse them clean, let them dry completely, then we prep. Lay your dry peppers flat on your cutting board. First, slice off the top stem cleanly. Then carefully carve out the inner seed core. Removing the seeds makes the dish look much more elegant and removes any harsh bitter undertones, leaving you with a pure sweet pepper flavor. Take your chef knife and gently smack the peppers flat. Cut them into uniform 2-inch pieces and set them aside on a plate. To make these blister peppers truly shine, you absolutely need 2 aromatic ingredients: fresh garlic, and fermented black beans. Do not be shy with these portions. The garlic provides an earthy warmth, and the black beans add a rich probiotic umami depth. These are the cornerstones of this flavor profile. If you like its spicy, toss in some chopped red chilies. They add a gorgeous pop of color, making the plate look vibrant and appetizing. Sprinkle a pinch of salt over your chopped green peppers. Toss them gently to coat evenly. Let them marinate for a few minutes, so the salt can draw out excess moisture and season the flesh. While those are resting on the counter, let us mix our ultimate savory glaze. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of soybean paste, a teaspoon of sugar to balance the savory notes, some mushroom bouillon, and low-sodium soy sauce for color. Add a teaspoon of cornstarch to thicken the sauce, so it clings perfectly. Finally, add 1 ounce of filtered water. Whisk everything until smooth. Set this liquid gold aside for later. When you fry vegetables like eggplant, you often have some clean leftover cooking oil. Never throw this out. It is exactly what we need to flash fry our peppers. This infused oil is clean and adds extra flavor. Zero waste in the kitchen is always a win. Turn the heat up to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A high temperature instantly sears the exterior. Locking the natural juices inside, carefully drop the peppers in and let them flash fry for about 60 seconds. Watch for those stunning gold and tiger skin wrinkles to appear. Quickly scoop them out and let them drain on a paper towel. This quick sear makes them vastly superior to dry roasting. Now grab a fresh skillet and add a tiny splash of oil. When warm, pour in your garlic and black bean mixture. Keep the heat on medium-low and toast the aromatics until your kitchen smells amazing. This blooming process unlocks their deep, complex flavors. Toss the rested peppers back into the pan. Crank the heat to high and stir rapidly. Pour your sauce over the top and coat every single piece. Because the peppers are already cooked from the flash fry, you only need a brief moment in the sauce. Prolonged cooking will turn them to mush. 1 minute of vigorous tossing is all it takes. Look at how incredible these blistered peppers turn out. They are leagues above the traditional dry method. Dry pan peppers just offer empty heat, with a harsh leathery skin that gets boring after 2 bites. But this upgraded version boasts a soft, luscious exterior, glowing with a caramelized sheen. The pepper meat inside is still remarkably thick and crisp, bursting with fresh garden moisture. It carries the complex earthy notes of the soybean paste. perfectly balanced and savory. The mild heat wakes up your palate, and the sauce is deeply satisfying. Every single bite is packed with incredible robust flavor. It is anything but plain. This is a humble, wholesome plant-based dish that will make you devour an entire bowl of rice. With a plate of these glorious blistered peppers on the table, you will definitely be going back for seconds. If you found this technique helpful, please drop a like to let me know. I really appreciate your support. That pepper dish is absolutely wonderful for lunch. But if you want another high-protein option for dinner, our next rustic egg stew is perfect. Let us head back to the stove and get started. You will be amazed by this comforting recipe.